Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's Sunday, it's spring in South Africa, as I've mentioned before. So in this video, I'm gonna basically do like my own do-it-yourself relaxer, right? I'm getting rid of all the wigs, all the weaves, any extensions. I just want something nice and fresh just to start off the new season. So I'm gonna be doing this. It's been a very excuse me, a long time since I've done my own relaxer. Probably the second time I'm doing this ever. So I'm very nervous. I hope I'm not gonna burn myself. So wish me luck. And yeah, let's just see how it turns out. Hey, I really hope it turns out well. Like, I want baby hairs. I want it nice and slick and fresh and just really nice. So guys, if you want to see how it turns out, keep watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe so I can do more videos for you guys. And yeah, that's about it. Coolio, let's do this. Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna get started. So the relaxer I'm gonna use, I got this from Discount. This is the Restore Plus No-Lye Cream Relaxer. This one has almond oil in it. And I chose super because right now my hair needs super attention. It's really like hot, like it's shrunk, you know what I mean? Because I haven't really taken care of my hair during this whole lockdown thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna go with super, and this one says it's for coarse hair. So make sure when you do buy it that you're buying the right relaxer for what you need, because you might need regular, you might need super, and maybe your hair isn't coarse right now. Mine is. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a try. Let's see how this turns out, guys. Wish me luck, like I said earlier on, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, awesome guys, so I'm gonna get started. I have my mirror here. This is actually awesome. I see my natural hair. Here we go. As you can see, she's like shrunk, and I really like the short hair. I'm really liking this whole short hair thing. So I'm gonna do first, I'm so nervous because my hair is so dry. This is gonna hurt. I'm just gonna actually first run my fingers through here. I have so much white hair, it's actually scary. I'm not going to show you guys. We're not that close yet. We'll get to that stage where we have a good relationship and I can show you guys my white hairs. And guys, I'm not like a professional hair person. Like, my thing is makeup. Hair is not my thing. And the thing is, of course, when you do your relaxer, you don't want to comb your hair. You don't want to pull your skin, because then the relaxer is going to burn. I'm sure a lot of us know that already, but for some of us that don't know that, you don't want to scratch your scalp. You don't want to pull on your hair too much, because when you put on that relaxer, your skin is going to be super sensitive where you scratched it, and you're going to feel the burn. Yeah. Okay, cool. So I'm not going to do too much. That's what it looks like. I'm going to take a selfie, actually. I'm really liking this. I'll be back. So I'm going to actually begin. Oopsie, jeez. No, okay, fine. You have to use gloves, right? They say here that you have to use gloves. Okay, awesome, guys. So I'm going to begin. I'm going to start off by, I'm going to make a part, right? Oh my God, my hair is so dry. You have to wear gloves when you do this. Alright, first thing is first. I'm not gonna wear gloves because it's not my first time working with relaxer. So I know my limits, I know what not to do and what not to do, and the dangers and all that stuff. So I'm gonna divide my hair into 4 parts. Middle, 4 parts. Okay, great stuff. Then I'm gonna go in with the Restore Plus Relaxer, No-Lye Cream Relaxer. Opening it up for the first time. Interesting. Then I'm going to go in with my comb. Look at that. I'm going to dip that in. And by the way, guys, you can also use Vaseline if you want. Put some Vaseline around your edges if you don't want to burn. On your ears as well. Just around your whole area, if you don't want to burn yourself. Okay, because relaxer, if you don't know how to use it, if you leave it on for too long, you might burn yourself. So I'm going to start off by putting it right in the middle here. Middle there. How often do I relax my hair? I relax my hair only once a year. I don't relax it often because I think a lot of us know that relaxers aren't actually good for you. I'm sure we should know that by now, guys. It's 2020. So the first thing, what we want to do, we're dividing our hair into quarters, right? So yeah. Okay. And you really want to just like work your muscles into it, right? So I'm going to also go back in this section over there. I'm going to go back in. Oops. Okay, I really want to focus on my edges because we really do want those baby hairs, right? We want those baby hairs to live. Whoa, okay, so I don't know how many minutes I'm in already, but I can actually feel a tingle already. Like I'm tingling already, so. So on the container, it says like if you have coarse hair, you should leave it for about 20 to 25 minutes. So yeah. I wouldn't leave this for more than 30 minutes, really, honestly. Guys, I'm so annoyed. I just realized when I was recording, my camera was blurry. So I'm hoping right now, let me just look. It's not blurry, right? It was blurry, man. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I never realized it was blurry, but you guys saw what I was doing, right? It's so annoying. Cool, but it's a lesson learned. I think there was something in front of the lens, so it was like focusing funny. So this is me right now. I've done the relaxer. I've put it on, almost basically massaged it. I have about this much left inside. So I have like half a tub, which is not too bad. So I'm gonna go in now. I'm gonna go in with the comb and I'm just gonna work it in all around. Whoa, I'm actually burning. This is serious. I'm gonna use the comb now just so that it can really get in there. Work those baby hairs as well. Okay guys, I'm actually like, I need to go wash this off. I can totally feel it. Oi! Cool guys, so I'm back. I went to go wash it off. Oh my gosh, that was so much work and I actually felt like I sort of burnt myself. So super is really super. It really does work very quickly. Like, yes, when I was washing it off, I felt like tingles, like I was literally burning. Anyways, so it did the job. I can feel my hair feels like really nice and thin. The thin hair isn't really good, but it did like what I wanted it to do. So this is what it is. I washed it, shampooed it, and then I'm gonna go in now with some conditioner. I'm gonna go in with the Palmer's coconut oil formula. This baby girl over here. It's almost finished. So I'm gonna go in. My hair needs this. Baby hair's looking good. This feels so good. You don't even understand. Like, okay, I'm gonna put a bit more. I hate it when things finish, eh? And this very last one, I'm gonna focus on my very delicate areas. Like that. So I'm gonna let that sit for a while. I'm gonna go hang my laundry. I have some laundry in the washing machine. I'm gonna go hang that in the sun before the sun sets and I'll be back, guys. Okay, cool guys, so I literally am done. I just hung up my laundry. The conditioner is sitting really nice. I feel like so fresh, like with the conditioner in. I'm gonna rinse it off soon and then we're gonna see how this all turns out. Cool. So the conditioner has set in. It's been about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go and rinse it off and then I'll be right back. So I've rinsed off all that conditioner out. It feels good. It really feels so awesome. This is what it looks like. This is what the relaxer, the results are. And then I'm gonna go in just so I don't like my hair to get dry, like it gets dry really quickly. So while it gets dry, I wanted to sort of absorb all this moisturizer. I'm gonna go in with the Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Maximum Strengthening Moisturizing Lotion. Whoa, it's a lot of words. I'm just gonna work that in there. So I want to put this in so that when my hair is getting dry by itself, it can really suck this in as well. And then yeah. Now I'm gonna go now blow dry my hair, style it, see what it looks like when it's dry, and I'll show you guys towards the end. And then that's it. Guys, so that's me. I'm literally done. I did the whole blow drying thing on my hair. I added some moisturizer, and I just tied it up in a little bun. I think tomorrow morning I'll add like a bit of an extension, maybe straighten it up a little bit in the back as well, just to get that really nice sleek look. And that's pretty much it. I'm super happy with it. The only thing I will say is that don't leave it on for too long, because you will feel the burn. But yeah, you will feel the burn, so don't leave it on for too long. That's what it looks like. And yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, coolio. I'll see you in the next video.